are 5 things to take note of in order to create high value content that could get you more clients. First of all, color grading, not color correction. And the difference is basically color correction is when you edit a video to come out as you see it, like you are correcting the colors in order for it to come out the way you imagine it to be, like saturation and all of that. And color grading changes the game in every video, and it basically sets the mood, sets the vibe. It could be, if you want it to be sad, if you want it to be happy, if you want it to be aesthetic, cinematic, color grading actually can do that for you. So know the difference between correction and grading. The second thing to take note of in video editing is sound effects. Very, very important. You've probably heard a lot of times that SFX is a way of upgrading your videos. And also, sound effects are a great way to keep your audience watching until the end. And here are just a few of my favorites. For transitions, you could use click, you could use camera, you could use whoosh sounds, and so many others available on either CapCut or Spring app. Another thing I highly recommend when creating high value content or videos is zoom-ins. But please, for the love of God, know how and when to use zoom-ins. Sometimes it be too much. Yeah, it could be too much. The fourth thing that you should take note of when editing videos is typography/font combination. I'm personally still learning this one, but I know it changes the aesthetic games for your videos. So take typography seriously. The next one is overlays. I feel like overlays could never go wrong. And overlays, I know I probably say this for everything I just mentioned. I feel like everything I just mentioned could never go wrong. That is why you should concentrate. You should focus on these things if you want to get better at video editing. I feel like overlays have the same effect with B-rolls. It also keeps the viewers interested. It's like if I'm saying, so Instagram just released a new, and then there's a pop-up of something of what I'm talking about and it's playing. So try using more overlays in your videos to keep viewers engaged. And the last one is literally very important, but everybody sleeps on this. Now this one, the fifth one, is my personal favorite, and it is BG, background music. I don't know what you've heard about background music, how to use background music, whether or not to apply background music, but this is my take on it. You guys, you have to include background music, and let us hear your background music. At least me, I want to hear your background music, because music is such a vital part of video editing. It provides ambience, it provides aura, it sets the mood, it sets the vibe, and I literally hate it when people use background music and you can't hear the background, because I just love when people are talking over background music. It's so aesthetic, especially jazz or bossa nova, whatever it is, and you can hear it, but it doesn't take away from what you are saying. It doesn't overshadow, it doesn't overtake the words that you are saying. Anyways, I just love, oh my god, the sun is coming out.